Hello everyone, my name is Axel Andaroth and today I will show you how to remove the anti-ad blockers pop-up on YouTube. So I'm using Chrome and let me explain. What you need is to run a script when you visit the website. So you will need a plugin. I use TemperMonkey because it allows me to create scripts that will run on the beginning of certain web pages. So in the plugin, I create a new file. Here it is. Let's have a look at it. And this is the code that will kill the modal and resume the video playing. You can copy it from my GitHub repository. It is linked in the description. And it works every time. It is beating the latest patches from Google. And yeah, like, subscribe, copy this, use this, enjoy.